Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over the new but not so new but updated Bensfoto Rolltop Camera Backpack. So let's get into it. Today we're going to be going over the updates to this backpack itself, and one thing I want to say right now is if you want to see the original version, you can click the little icon up here and get right to that video. But now I'm going to start with the major thing that they changed in this bag, which happens to be the back access to the whole actual camera bag. So when you actually open the back of the backpack, pretty much everything can be seen. Right now there is the red mesh here, but once you actually pull it down like so, here's the whole camera compartment. And up top, which happens to be where you get into the roll top access, from here you can see everything that's in here as well. Pull up the zippers, unlatch the Velcro, and voila, everything is in there as well. So this allows access to see everything that's in the bag. It's better to get out camera gear, switch lenses, because you still will have that side access compartment here like before, but now you have 2 points of getting in. So you can get your quick of ease, get your camera out from the side, and then once you open up the back, you have room for all your accessories, your lenses, whatever you might carry in your bag, drone. Now you have a chance to put it all in the bottom, which actually feels like so much more room than what was provided in the first bag. So this is definitely an upgrade and much more useful. There is this red flap here, but you technically don't really have to zip it up and leave it like that, because that can be a pain to unzip it and get back into it. So what I like to do is just roll it up and just kind of tuck it in, so when the bag shuts, it's just there. When you open it, it's just there. I guess if you really don't want it there, you can just cut it out, but I don't think anyone really wants to damage a brand new bag that they just bought. You know what I mean? Because of the new back opening design, not only is the camera compartment changed, but also where the laptop is held is changed. Before it was just side access, and now it's like a normal camera backpack where the laptop is on the back flap, velcroed in, as well as there's now a zipper down here allowing for more organization. Maybe you want to put like a small notebook down there or some important papers or whatever you might find use of that. So there's another thing that has changed with the bag. Another thing that has changed are these zippers. So before, I was not really a fan of the zippers on the old backpack, and I said that. And zippers are so important when it comes to a backpack, because that's how you're going to get in and out of the backpack every single day, every single time you use it, every single time you want a piece of gear. And now they're updated. So in the back of the backpack, there are now YKK zippers where to access the back compartment, which was definitely an upgrade in my mind, because YKK is a notable, huge brand, and knowing that they will last gives you ease of mind. Another thing is the side zippers to the side compartment here. They're not, I don't think they're necessarily YKK, but you can definitely feel the difference when opening the bag, as well as the zipper pulls. They are so much nicer. And like, these are small little touches that have changed that honestly make the bag so much more functional and don't prevent you to get into your camera bag easier. So not only was those side zippers updated, but as well as the front zipper was updated. Before it was a little groggly, could get stuck, but now it's smoother, as well as, again, a new zipper pull. One thing that they actually took away from the bag is something I really like. Before, they used to have these small tabs everywhere on the bag that pretty much told people what was in your bag. There was one that had a camera on it, one with a little tripod. And I understand, yes, it's telling people where to put their gear inside of this bag, but it's telling others around them what's actually in the bag. When you have camera gear, you want to seem like you don't have camera gear. You want to be disclosed about what's in your bag. And with that, those tabs prior, everyone could see what's in your bag. So if someone were trying to maybe get into your backpack or steal your stuff, they know exactly what you're holding in there pretty much. You know what I'm saying? It's a small things that they change on this bag that make a huge difference. They still have the same great materials on it, great nice buckle here at the top. It still works good, and it's still very functional. So if you guys enjoy this video, let me know in the comments. Leave me a like, and maybe you'll even subscribe.